Welcome back to Joel's Bowl. Today, we'll be making KIEŁBASA. As always, this recipe is posted down in the description as well as being pinned in the comments. So we're going to start off by getting some chickpeas and we're going to cook those in our pressure cooker. And once those are ready, we're going to mash them really well. You could also use a food processor. And then once you have that mashed up really well, you can take 3 cups of that and add in 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of vegetable bouillon, 1 teaspoon caraway seeds, a pinch of dill, half a teaspoon of marjoram, and about a teaspoon of salt. You could give or take salt depending on your personal preference, but since we're making sausages, you want to use a decent amount of salt here. And then we're going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet and peel 5 cloves of garlic and saute that whole for about 10 to 15 minutes till they start to brown lightly. Then you want to take that off the pan and mash it with a fork. And add half a teaspoon of marjoram and half a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now for the wet ingredients, I'm going to use 4 ounces of aquafaba, which I saved from cooking the chickpeas. And I even strained it through a couple juniper berries here, but that's just extra and totally optional. So we're going to dissolve into that 1 teaspoon of marmite. And we're going to add a teaspoon of tamari sauce and 4 to 5 drops of liquid smoke, along with 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And once that's all dissolved, you can add that to the chickpeas. And then we're going to get our vital wheat gluten. We're going to use 1 cup and add it slowly in increments, making sure to mix it very well. Doing it this way makes for sausages with more texture. But if you prefer a more homogeneous consistency for your sausages, you can alternatively mix in the gluten before adding the liquid. And once the dough has been kneaded consistently, you can divide the dough into smaller pieces and roll them out into sausage-sized logs on a sheet of foil. And then you just want to roll that like a nice little doobie, twisting the ends to seal it. And once you have all those ready, you can go ahead and preheat the oven, set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake these suckers for about 30 minutes. And once that's done, you can remove them from the oven and allow them to cool before you unwrap them. And there you have it, vegan KIEŁBASA. If you like this video, do your part to help the algorithm recommend it and drop me a thumbs up. Also, share it around if you know anyone that might also appreciate this sort of content. And be sure to subscribe for more amazing plant-based vegan goodness. Check me out on Instagram at Joel's Bowl and tag me if you decide to make any of my awesome recipes with hashtag Joel's Bowl. Remember, in 2020, it's not difficult to make any dish vegan. Go vegan today, for yourself, for the animals, and for the entire earth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.